So let me break down pair for the weeks that I'll be focused on taking. So this is my weekly analysis, and today is Monday. I'm making a review on pair that I'll be interested in taking this week. So starting with Euro USD. Euro USD, as you can see, weekly we are bearish. We are bearish. We're bearish with this strong engulfing candlestick, but we are at weekly area of interest. This is strong support level, so we anticipate the further continuation to the upside to come and retest this structure point over here. Daily we are bullish. I was waiting today Monday price to have a little bit of retracement around here and then continue move to the upside. So far for H, you can see now we are totally bullish. Now we just wait if this price will give us some confirmation to take this trade to the upside. USD CHF daily time frame we are bearish. Just daily time frame we are bearish. Weekly time frame we are bullish. Weekly time frame we are bullish, but I'm more focused on daily time frame where we have this rejection price. If price managed to come here and retest this structure point, so we have rejection from EMA psychological area, so everything aligned. For each time frame, as you can see, we are totally bearish. So I was waiting a little bit of price to come here, give us rejection, continue heading to the downside. So far price didn't yet come to our area of interest, so just still waiting. I see USD card daily we are bearish. Weekly there is no any information, but weekly actually there is this information over here. Whenever we have this kind of dodgy rejection over here, we are to the downside. Dodgy rejection over here, we are to the down. The dodgy rejection around here, we are to the downside. So it's my expectation now that we come to this area, dodgy rejection under EMA, under the area of interest. So in daily time frame, we are told that we shift the structure to the downside. So now I'm waiting for 4-hour candlestick to give us some rejection candlestick. Like if this candlestick closes with engulfing candlestick or a rejection candlestick with 1 hour shift to market structure, 1 hour is still bearish. The 1 hour break and retest this area, I will be considering taking this trade, but I must wait for this 4H candlestick to close to give us that we have a rejection to the downside. CAD JPY, wait for price to come. This was the last week trade. Wait price to have that little bit retracement. This is daily time frame. I'm expecting that the price has a higher probability to come and retest this area over here, structure point, mini structure point. So just wait price to have a retest, a little bit reject from this area. We have already done a retracement and rejection from the image, so just waiting for a little bit of 4H time frame to come and retest this area, give us rejection candlestick and continue look for the opportunity to the upside. That is GBP USD, still waiting price to break and retest of this area. As you can see, daily we are still, this is lower high and lower low. We are still bearish over this one. Also we can see we break under this mini structure point over here, so either two scenarios. The first one, on 4H time frame, price come, break and retest this area, or price continue push to this area and give us some rejection candlestick. So we'll see how the price will react, because the price can come, maybe reject this area over here before it is on the downside, but I'll be only interested in taking this trade once the trade into this area, or once we break and retest to the downside. Let's see GBP card. GBP card, this same scenario, break and retest. Let's see daily time frame. Daily time frame, we are actually bearish. But within that bearish, there is bullish structure. Why I'm looking for bearish opportunity? As you can see, the price, whenever price reaches this strong area over here, we have bearish rejection candlestick, and then we have the other side, we have bearish rejection candlestick at the downside. Weekly, we close with a doji candlestick, so we anticipate this price can come. So for now, we're just waiting for weekly to produce that wick to the upside, and then when the weekly candle start momentum to the downside, 4H will provide that rejection candlestick, which will lead to also 1 hour to shift the market structure to the downside. So for now, I'll be interested in taking this trade, like after break and retest of this area. No, after break and retest of this area, but until 4H now provided with another rejection candlestick, that will be interested in taking that trade. NZD CHF, weekly time frame, as you can see, price have that strong push to the upside. Cool. No ideal information, no. But what I like is daily time frame. Look, daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have this strong resistance level. You can see we break, retest over here. So if today candlestick will close with the doji candlestick like here, tomorrow, despite of this being a buy, I will take consideration on 4H time frame counter trend, but only and if we'll be having a clear break and retest. So until tomorrow, that's where we will make a decision either to buy, to sell this, or otherwise. So it's not in my top pair, and this is daily time frame. The same thing with here, but I'm matching NZD CHF than NZD. So just waiting for price to come retest this area and then continue to the upside. That's all. So those are the pair. NZD USD also, wait price to have a little bit retracement around here to continue with the buys. You can see we have strong push to the upside. We may have that retracement around this area of interest over here, or come all the way to here to continue with buying. So let's see what the price will actually give us for this week.